Hello guys, so welcome to the channel named Scrabyte, and today we will talk about the settings on YouTube channel and on the secrets how to be in that platform and how to improve yourself here. Firstly, I want to say that occasionally I have this microphone, but I think it's you don't care about that. So, okay, let's move on and let's talk about the YouTube. So, how YouTube working and how we can create our videos and how we can upload here. So, firstly, we enter in our channel. Firstly, we need to create it, but I think you know already how to do that. So if you don't know that, I can create a new video about that. So you can mark it in the description if you need it. So okay, we enter enough in our channel and we have this button create and then upload videos. So we should put here and select our files, or we can like do this, and for example, I want to do this video, to upload this video. So here we have some title, and we can name like what we want. For example, it's video about Minecraft, but I won't upload here, so it's just just for example, so Minecraft series. It doesn't matter the name and doesn't matter the description, but for YouTube analytics, it matters a lot. So you need to notice you that it's very important. So yeah, like put something in the description, and also you can upload here the preview of video. So it's also the most important thing for I think this the most important thing, because the viewer see firstly the preview and then the name. So these two things is very important. So pay attention for this. So here, no, it's not made for kids, and no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. So yeah, about monetization, we can select ads, and yeah, but it's only if you have 1000 of subscribers. So yeah, like on doesn't matter for now. So it's about ads. It's hard. It's really hard. It's we don't need that. So checks. It's we'll check the copywriting things. If you have some problems with the video, YouTube will notice you for don't upload the video that have problems. Yeah, it's pretty simple, I think. So, and the visibly we can just public, unlisted, and private. Private is only for you. You can share with some people. Unlisted is means that you can share only the link from this video, and just all people who has the link can enter and see a video. And public is for everyone. And shadow is like you choose the date and the time, and the video will upload. So thank you guys for watching. I think it was pretty simple, and yeah, it's nothing hard. So yeah, see you soon, guys.